And the next box is going to be 2013 Panini Contenders. Box says 5 autos. Sometimes there's 6. We're going to have 24 packs. Not really much for inserts and Contenders. Usually a couple rookies / inserts, and then the 5 or 6 autos. All right, 2013 Panini Contenders, pack number 1. Base. And started off with a bunch of base. Pack number 2. A bunch more base. And some more base. I think this is pack 4. See if we can get some. There's a rookie. Got a Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Cardinals. Tyrann Mathieu. Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Cardinals. Next pack. Bunch of base. Got a backwards one. Probably going to be hit number 1. Base besides that. Oh, nice. So hit number 1. One of the on-card autos. Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings. Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings. It has a star on the back, so I'm not sure if that's the variation or not. I think it's just the regular version. I think the parallels are missing the stars, if I'm not mistaken. But auto number 1, Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings. Was a good hit at one point in time. Got a round 2 numbers. Dual rookie. Manti Te'o and Kevin Minter. Dual rookie. That one goes to the Chargers. Te'o and Minter. Next pack. Touchdown tandems. Insert for the Texans, Matt Schaub and Andre Johnson. Touchdown tandems. Not numbered. Still looking for at least 4 more hits. And and insert, or not an insert, but a redemption. So here's going to be hit number 2. Redemption. Oh, nice. Hopefully these this will be able to get redeemed. Hopefully he's signed. Rookie tickets RPS variation. Le'Veon Bell. Le'Veon Bell variation auto. Not sure if he signed these or not. Hopefully he did. Is expired, but they should honor it. Expired back in June. That one is a nice one for the Steelers. Le'Veon Bell redemption. Variation redemption at that too. Probably short printed, not sure. Assuming it was probably pretty low, number 2. Next pack, sorry about that. All base in that one. Insert for the Steelers. Touchdown tandems, Big Ben and Heath Miller for the Steelers. Probably getting close to about a third of the way through. Oh, printing plate, nice. The hits keep it coming. Printing plate for the Cardinals, Rashard Mendenhall. This is the magenta printing plate. Rashard Mendenhall. 1/1 printing plate for the Cardinals. Kind of a bonus hit. Very nice. Printing plate. Next pack. See, this one's backwards. Gonna be auto number 3 for the Bills. Kicker, Dustin Hopkins. Dustin Hopkins for the Bills. Not sure if he's still their kicker or not. Dustin Hopkins. Kicker auto. So we have 2 more autos left. Possibly 3 if they threw a bonus one. And another backwards one. So it's going to be auto number 4. This one goes to, oh nice, for the Texans, Sam Montgomery. I think that's a cracked ice parallel. Oh, nice! Numbered out of 21. Sam Montgomery for the Texans. Ice auto out of 21. Nice hit. We got to be at least halfway through. Only 1 more guaranteed auto. But we want 6 autos this month. Got to insert Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Lions, Ziggy Ansah. The Zigster, not numbered. Next pack. All base in that one. Still looking for one more auto. MVP contender. Oops. MVP contender insert for the Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Excuse me, Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. I would guess probably about 7 or 8 packs left. Backwards one should be our last guaranteed auto. For the Panthers, Kawan Short. Kawan Short for the Panthers. Not numbered. So yeah, looks like about 6 packs left. All the guaranteed hits are out. Sometimes Contenders throws that 6th auto at you. So hopefully we get a 6th auto. Draft class for the Bills, Robert Woods. Robert Woods for the Bills. Next one, Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Patriots, Kenbrell Tompkins. Kenbrell Tompkins for the Patriots. So you have 4 packs left. Now the inserts are coming. Insert for the Cowboys, Legendary Contenders, Deion Sanders. Deion Sanders for the Cowboys. Not numbered. 3 packs left. Looking for a bonus auto. Oh, backwards. Auto number 6. This one goes to the Bucks. Jonathan Banks. Jonathan Banks for the Bucks. Not numbered. So we do get a 6 auto box and a printing plate on top of it. So pretty nice box of Contenders. See if we can finish out with a couple inserts. Round 2 numbers. Eddie Lacy for the Packers and Christine Michael for the Seahawks. That one will go to the Packers since Lacy is listed first. And the last pack, empty box. Should hopefully just be a rookie. Parallel, and we do have a rookie. For the Broncos, Monte Ball, draft class rookie. Monte Ball for the Broncos. So that does